Describe a friend you like.
I have many friends at school, but my best friend is Sunny. We met in our class last year. We like to play football and ride bikes together. Sunny is always kind and funny. He helps me when I am sad. I feel happy when I am with him because he makes me laugh a lot. Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Sunny.
Where did you meet him?
We met in our class last year.
What do you like to do together?
We like to play football and ride bikes.
Why do you like him?
He is kind and funny.
How does he help you?
He helps me when I am sad.
How do you feel when you are with him?
I feel happy because he makes me laugh.